Hi everybody, 065 here. Today is Friday, and it was last day of today was my last day of middle school. Going on to high school next year. And also today was also a sad day and a good day. Sad was because I don't get to see this one girl who I really love a lot. But the good thing is, my package arrived. This is Battle Bruiser. Gonna wanna open this up carefully. One thing I'm not really sure about the robot is, does it walk? If it doesn't walk, still doesn't matter. I'll still accept the robot. Doesn't want to rip this up. Don't know why, but I just want to be more careful with my packaging. You may want to skip this part, boys and girls, or should I say, it's the subscribers of my channel. There you go. What's on the back of this? Oh my god, it's Felix the cat. Dude, that's so cool, I never noticed that. Let me, okay then. Oh man, this is a robot, my cousin, or my step-cousin I should say, who lives in Mexico now, who had this robot when he was young. He wouldn't let me play with it as far as I know because he loved it so much. Oh man, I keep on playing this the wrong way. It's a habit. I also keep on opening it, well not opening it, but like, so excited. I just hope the robot works or walks. Think, Jesus. This is like a bit more of a toughie. Oh my god, I see it. You know what, screw this. Yes. You may want to speed this up, folks. This is a old robot, never before seen on eBay. Well, only once on YouTube. Never been on YouTube. Sweet. Battle Bruiser. Does he walk? Yep, he's supposed to walk and... He has wheels. Yep, he is supposed to walk, as far as I know. Huh? Gee. So cool. So cool.
I am Battle Bruiser.
Some of you doesn't want to move, but I will fix him up. Here's 065 with another package unboxing. Thank you for watching and bye.